I'm Stephanie Johnson, product manager for Vaddio, part of Legrand rAVe, talking about our brand new EasyIP dock. It is part of our larger EasyIP ecosystem, which is an AV over IP solution using our Vaddio cameras and Dante audio to send video and audio over the network. This is our new endpoint unit. This would connect to a computer over USB. It is the simultaneous encoder and decoder, so you can have up to 1 to 4 cameras connected to it and available over USB for your conferencing or recording, and then Dante audios in and out. It also, when you connect your computer's HDMI, will extend that out to the screen for easy presentation and conferencing solutions. This is available and shipping now. And you can visit Legrand rAVe for more information.